guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, I am animated. I have been seeing this filter everywhere and I was like, maybe I should do a makeup tutorial using this filter and see how my makeup looks. So here we are and we're gonna try it out. I did my base off camera because I feel like you're not really gonna see that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna try to add some blush on here and some eyeshadow and see how that works. I'm also going to be taking off the filter after, like at the end of the video, so you guys can see how my makeup looks. It's not going to be like a really difficult makeup look. I just want to see if you're able to see the eyeshadow. Go ahead and get started. I am going to be grabbing this palette. This is the BH Flower Power palette. So we're going to be adding this right over here and to my cheeks. That's kind of cute that you kind of could see the blush. I like that. This is my face with the blush and this is without it. So I like that you can actually see it. I am obsessed, you guys. When I saw this filter and I'm like, I need to download Snapchat. I did not have Snapchat. I had taken off the app, but then when I saw this filter, I'm like, I have to download the app. Check this filter out because first of all, I'm obsessed with like Pixar kind of characters. I love those movies. So when I saw it, I'm like, wow, I really want to see how I look. But I kind of feel like everyone kind of looks the same. Going in with my, this is the Hoola bronzer. I'm going to go in and put some bronzer on here. I feel like you're not going to be able to see this as much. I can see it, but I kind of have it like right here. You guys can't really see it. But now I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow, which I'm so excited about. I really want to do it, so let's go. I know you guys might not see this, but I'm gonna try highlighter. I haven't really put highlighter on, but I want to see if you can see it through the filter, which I doubt. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup highlighter. This is a flex highlighter. So I feel like you kind of could see it, but not really. It's hard to tell if you could see it. I'm not really trying to put so much, but I put it there. Who knows? Okay, now for the fun part, I am going to be using my Milk Makeup Concealer. I'm going to use as a base for my eyeshadow. I want to do like a bold color so I can see if you can see it through the filter. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply it. I feel like you could kind of see it, but not really. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think so far. I know this is like a really weird video for me to make. Go ahead and apply it on both sides. I feel like my eye looks so wonky right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Now that my base is there, I'm going to go in with eyeshadow, which I have decided to use the Huda Beauty, the Metro Retrograde palette. Mercury Retrograde palette. I don't know why I just said that. I really want to use this teal right over here. This color, I feel like it's just going to stand out more. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm going to go ahead and just pack that blue on. And as you can tell, you could kind of see it, which is kind of cute. I live for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye. It's kind of creepy that you can't see my eye closed when I actually have it closed. I'm trying really hard to close it. Okay, so you can kind of see what I did there with the blue eyeshadow. I have my eyes closed, but you can't see it. So it's going to look like I'm winking, but I'm not. So now I kind of want to do another color to see if you can kind of see the inner corner. Let's go ahead and try that out. Grab the shade Utopia, which is this color right here. It looks really distorted because of the filter. So I'm going to go in with that and I'm going to be adding that to my inner corner. I feel like you might not see this. Okay, so you can kind of see it in the inner corner right there. I think it looks really cute. What do you guys think, you guys? This is kind of fun. I can't wait to show you guys what my face actually looks when I'm not in the filter, because trust me, my face is going to look so different. Now that that's done, I am going to be adding a little bit of color to my inner corner, like a pop-up color. So I want to use like this purple that they have in this palette and just in my inner corner, and make sure to make that stand out. Can you guys see it? I don't see it. So I'm just gonna keep adding it even though you guys can't see it, because I really wanted to kind of make it stand out a lot. But I mean, can you guys see a little bit of it, right? I can see a little bit right here going on. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to be using the House Labs eyeliner. And this is in the shade Punk, my favorite one, you guys. If you guys have not tried it, you guys have to, because it's good. If you guys can actually see this. Can you really see that? Okay, I feel that you kind of could see a little bit of it, but not a lot. I don't know. What's going on? Okay, so you can't really see it that much. Let me know if you guys can see. I can kind of see it like right here, but I mean, I don't know. So I'm gonna finish it off camera and I'll be right back. These faces are cute. I can't stop making these little faces. Ah, you can see my tongue there. Oh. Okay, so basically my face is done. I am gonna be putting on lashes. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in Eleganza. I'm gonna see if you can actually see them through the filter. So we shall see. We shall see. Okay, so I put them on. I feel like you could kind of see it, but not really. Sorry if it's a little shaky, the camera's because I'm kind of holding the camera a little bit to show you guys. Huh. You can't really see it, right? You guys are really gonna be shook when you guys see me off this filter because I look way different than this filter right here. So for my lip, I am going to be using the House Laboratories. This is the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon, and you guys know I love the shade Talk Dirty. It's one of my favorite shades. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and put it on the lips to see if you can actually see it on the filter. Which, to be honest, I kind of doubt it. Oh, and apply it. Okay, you kind of could see a little bit of color, which I like. I like a lot. You guys, this filter is so cute. Okay, so you guys, I am done doing my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my face to you in 3, 2, and ta-da! This is how my face is looking, you guys. You guys can't really see all the detail that I was doing on my makeup. It's like a really fun look, and you guys couldn't really see that on camera. I just really wanted to try to do my makeup using that filter because, first of all, I think the filter is so cute, and I thought it was a really good idea and a fun idea to do because I've been thinking of ideas for YouTube, and I thought of that, and I was like, you know what, that's kind of fun. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you hit that bell notification to know when I post another video, even though it doesn't work. Also, I do guys want to remind you guys that if you guys have not checked out my Etsy shop, I have an Etsy shop where I sell crystal jewelry, crystal rings, beaded necklaces, and beaded bracelets, where you have like the zodiac one. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, I will be obviously posting some pictures here and like little videos so you guys can see it. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I do have a beaded necklace and bracelet, which is for Pride, and the proceedings for that will be going to the Charity Project. If you guys don't know Charity Project, it is an organization where they help people, I think 25 years and younger, in a situation of a crisis where they need help. They help them out. So you guys, I have heard so many good things about the Charity Project, so that's why I decided to donate some of the proceedings of that beaded necklace and bracelet to that organization. So I will be leaving the link down below in my description box. So far, you guys, to be honest, only 2 people have bought the Pride one. So it's like I haven't really been able to raise more money for that. So if you guys are like wanting to buy it, it's going to be on my link in my description box for my Etsy. I also sell like hair clips. I sell so many other things there that I make myself. So if you guys are interested, you guys make sure you guys check out my little Etsy. It would mean so much to me. It actually helps me out so much financially because I have been struggling. This video was really fun to do, you guys. I have been in a funk and I have not filmed, and I actually love filming. It actually puts me like in a really good mood, like to kind of creating content for me in general is actually really fun. And yeah, I haven't even thought about doing vlogs, to be honest, but I feel that my life isn't as interesting, to be honest, for me to do vlogs. So yeah, I hope now that everything's kind of going back to normal, like that I get to go to some events or anything like that to kind of be more interesting, like that I can kind of take you guys with me. Like I used to love doing that, like doing little vlogs for the events that I go. So I hope that I'm able to do some of that stuff. I don't know. I feel like I'm in a little venting moment right now. Life has been something else lately. And I feel like I'm in a roller coaster where I'm kind of happy and then I'm sad. Like it's like a sad moment and then I'm happy again and then I'm sad. I don't know. I was wondering, have you guys seen The Conjuring? I saw The Conjuring like last week or so. And you guys, I did the mistake of watching YouTube videos about The Conjuring, like the real story and like all that stuff, and tell me why I messed up. And I started having like, I was being more like anxious about like what if the, you know, the scary demon knows that I've been watching these things and tries to get me. And I was just, honestly, I got to a point where I was really, really scared at night. And I'm like, I don't know why I do this to myself. So I was avoiding anything on my YouTube, because, you know, when you go on YouTube, there's like a history of like all the stuff that you've seen, and like it kind of recommends you. All of my stuff was scary, and I was just like, I need to start watching other stuff so I can not have the scary ones there, because I like watching people go to like the Conjuring house, the real one, and just kind of like show like a little tour of it. I don't know. I'm just talking to you guys because I really missed you guys, and I feel like I kind of want to talk to you guys more, and I want to be able to talk to you guys in the comments below. I actually love answering you guys in the comments. It's really, really fun for me. So yeah, I just feel like I need that little moment to talk to you guys. So let me know if you guys saw the Conjuring movie and what did you guys think of it. Let me know in the comments down below, like that we can talk about it, because honestly, my thoughts on it, let me just tell you really quick, I did not know the movie was gonna be like that. I thought like the storyline was gonna be different. I didn't know it was gonna go that route. Did not expect it, to be honest. I did not expect that. Like, I feel like the trailer did not really show much. So now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. You guys can see, that's what I'm saying, you guys couldn't really see the eyeliner because it was like sticky. It was sticky and you couldn't even see it. So make sure you guys are following me on my TikTok. Like that, you guys can see more videos of me reviewing stuff. I'm reviewing a little stuff there, so you guys want to see it there. And if you guys are not following me on my Twitter or Instagram, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm always posting on Instagram, even though the app doesn't work. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was like a really hard video to film because I was filming everything on Snapchat and then saving everything. It was just like all hard right now. You guys, it was hard. It was so hard, but I managed to do it. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.